I'm Arrow Hughes, Western Superintendent. I'm here today to talk to you about the Clearhole build, or as we'll know it is Project Renew. The project will cover the Bangor High Street. For those that know it, down for Bangor bus stops and around Hiral, along Beach Road, and then will cover the Maes Gerchan estate. The most important thing here is that this is really driven by the community, what the problems are from the community, and it really is sort of guided by what they want us to focus in on. So the focus will be about targeting organised criminality, and that manifests itself in various different ways, whether that's unexplained wealth, whether that's an increase in theft and antisocial behaviour, and sadly as well that also in some cases manifests itself in vulnerability and exploiting that, whether it's children or vulnerable adults. So very much looking forward to working with partners and making a difference for Bangor.